Friends, all of us, I am saying, please you subscribe my channels and you like. 4-5 day is happening. We made one planning. I told them they had my friends. So I told them, friends, you have many options, but you are not thinking about this. And in this world, many people has many different business. I am not saying, and please you don't take my matter. Whatever your minds is coming, earnings capacity, earnings idea, please you can do that. But what is in my mind is coming that we can do this and we have option and you can earn money with online, which every time we watch any video, in that video our data our data is lost, and in this data has money. Yeah. So friends, I explained them in now every people's has every people's has mobile. It is no show matter. Shaman has not mobile. All of us has mobile. So my opinion, please you make comedian video and you upload in YouTube. When your subscriber will be 1000, when your viewers will be 1 lakh, 2 lakh, your YouTube company, your channels will be verified for money, and YouTube's company will give you chance that daily by daily you make video, and how much would you be your people's, your viewers will be more, I will give you more money. But for that daily by daily one video should be upload. That's most of the peoples is going on mobile, and every times go on mobile and watch comedian video. I see, and 6 months after, 1 years after, if our planning will not go on, our planning will not go on, no problem, no any difficult, but we should prepare, we should hard working, we should never leave. And who peoples is not preparing, who peoples is not hard working, that please you understand, you are not live, you have been death. If you are not doing anything in this world, so please you understand, you have not live, you have been death. Because if you want life in this world, that you work like that, and you will be sleeping, but your business is going on. In like that you do business, and we are doing business, we go to market, and unless you are selling, your money is coming, but you close the shop, your earnings have been closed. But in net is like this business, your business in 24 hours is going on, and all world, and you are selling only in like this area market, local area market, your business is going on, but your business is going on all world. In like this you think, friends, you don't do business that only local area will be purchase your luggage. You do business like this, all world your business will go on. And what kind of will be that business? That business will be that is cleared internet, and you have capacity, you have ability that you can do. But whatever you know, please you say about any peoples. And now I opened one channel. That channel name is English Speech, and there are many country which is not now English. I give example: Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Nepal. And in this time my mind is not coming country name, but there are many country which many peoples do not know, many countries do not know English. What kind of we should prefer the English? In like this I mad, and someone will say to you, what are you doing, what are you saying, what are you thinking? But no, what is your ambition? Please you do that, and you think about that. And now our English our English have been mistake, our speech have been mistake. But my opinions and my mind is saying, please you continue like this, you practice continue, and your practice, please you don't leave, and one day, 1 years after, 5 years after, your speech will be benefit, your speech will be advantage. And many people is like this, and especially beginner class, which that people's wanted now like this speech, that people's wanted like this speech. Please you continue like this speech, I will watch your video. You know also this, in neighbors, one thing I am saying you, in neighbors will illiterate, neighbors will illiterate with you, because your neighbors is not doing like this whatever you are doing. So please you don't fear with them. Only you fear only one God. Friends and brothers, one thing I want to explain you. And now you prepare, you hard working, one day you will get benefit. And now I am preferring and I am hard working, and one day in like this, in this speech, in this video will something benefit. And so friends, in long video I can't make, because this is mobiles and this is not computers. So friends, my opinion, I am saying you, please, in whatever you have capacity, please you do that. In about 4 5 days I am making comedian video, which in that channels will be another name. And when till now I did not open that channels, but in within 1 year, one week, within one weekly, and I will open that channels, and I will start just, and any comedian video I will make and I will upload that. That's in like this I wanted, because we. So friends, please, in I meet you next with next video tomorrow.